What if I told you there was a way to take your high interest credit cards that sit around 29% or higher sometimes and take them down to at least 6% and sometimes even lower? If you've been thinking about going into the military and you have a lot of credit card debt with high interest rates cards, this might be the thing that pushes you into joining, at least for a 4-year tour, to try to get, if nothing else, to get some free education and get those credit card bills paid off. And you can keep that interest rate the whole time you're on orders and even up to a year past when they end. The real law has to do with your mortgage staying for an entire year, but a lot of times the credit card companies will allow it to go that time anyway. Some won't, some will, so you have to check into each one. Depending on the bank you have and their policies, a lot of times they'll go back in time prior to the interest rate starting. The legal part of it is it's supposed to be the full time you're on active duty orders. So if you were regular active duty and had been on it for a while and you decide to invoke these protections, that's when they can go back that entire time and give you the interest rate back. But sometimes they'll do it anyway. So you could get a check back or a credit to your account or check back in your mail that will cover you for the interest rate they charge you through the whole time. If you're already active duty, or if the Guard or Reserves on active duty orders 31 days or more and you haven't activated these benefits, I highly recommend you going right now and getting a copy of your orders and send them to each of your institutions for credit cards, your banks if you have a mortgage there, and there's a lot of other things. And where this stems from is the Servicemembers Civil Relief Act, which has not only this but many other things we're going to get into later. Please like this video to push it out to more people, and subscribe so you can get more notifications on what we have coming up from Berserker Brotherhood. Out.